Heather.
All my good niggas got it down. She can last forever. I raise capital's pleasure. Cause when you died, I
Oh, Justine, I love you. Justine, ooh, I love you so fucking much.
How you doing? How's you doing?
Hey, Justine,
My
you
name is
know.
Kendra.
Just goes to our movie. We're selling the shit.
I love Justine so much. She's like my fucking girlfriend, man. But, I mean, she's my sister, but I love her. I just,
Hell no.
and this is my sister too. She's my sister, ain't she?
Yeah.
She's my sister. Shit, I have some brothers, motherfucking coming from up in Greenville, come and see my ass. Hell yeah.
Do it
You
again.
know what? Hell yeah, motherfuckers. I'm gonna beat their ass. Beat it up.
Hell no. What are you doing? Kendra.
I'm fucking 60.
You wanna lick?
They just wish they can actually really get it.